Welcome back to the shop. So I'm changing my planer blades, well, flipping them actually, because they're the flat blades. You get two sides. I've been getting grooves on my boards and figured it was finally time to take care of that because I'm tired of sanding everything. So this is actually really simple. I already did one blade. I figured I'd take a video to show you guys that it's not a difficult task at all. First thing you want to do is obviously unplug it, bring the cutter head down to 1 inch. I locked mine here, but it's really not necessary. You're going to take this dust cover off. It's really simple. There's 2 screws here and here. They both come off with this handy tool they include. You're going to slide that off. You're going to rotate this fan assembly. Till it clicks just like that. Now your blade is locked. And you can take out these screws here, here, and this guy hiding right there. So I already changed this one, so I'm going to flip it and change the next one. And you guys can see just how easy this is. Use this magnetic end. Oop, grab that. Up and forward. Same with the blade. Just like that. I don't know if you guys can see this. It got pretty chipped up. Right back when I was doing predominantly pallet wood. So you take this blade and you just rotate it end to end. Pop it back in. It's pretty centered on there. Pop this guy back on. And replace the screws. There you go. I have one more blade to change. I'll just fast forward the rest of this.